So if you like what you see tonight, this next team is having an improv jam, which is essentially an open mic for anybody that wants to do improv, and it's very supportive. So talk to Brain Rust after the show if you're interested. Get to deets because it's on the down low. All right, so everybody, clap your hands for Brain Rust.
Non-food suggestion?
Pinata! What chop?
Great. So, I used to live in North Carolina when I was younger in a farming community. That's not really part of the story, but just to set the scene. And I went to a birthday party for a 6-year-old. I was 6 at the same time. And we were doing the pinata, and unfortunately they tied it to a loose beam on their porch. And me, being the aggressive that I am, I took that back and I was like, I'm gonna get this, I'm gonna be the coolest kid at this party. Whacked it and brought the beam down. But the candy came out, and that was the most important part.
Question, why didn't you cuss? Why didn't you just say it?
I don't know, I don't know why. I was like, is this a mixed crowd? Are there children here? Can I say mother?
Did the porch come down with the beam, or?
No, it's just a loose board.
Okay.
It's fine. No major injuries.
So were you the hero of the party? You went to all the kids and the candy came out. The kids must have been happy, the parents maybe not so much.
I can't really remember anything before I was 18, unless it was a major moment, like bringing down the board. But I imagine the children were happy.
Yeah.
It'd be weird if the kids were mad.
Right?
I'm sure the parents were probably mad, like, oh, we have to do all these repairs to our house now.
It was just one board. It's fine.
Whose birthday was this?
Fucking if I remember.
Do you remember the relationship? Was this a friend, a cousin, some Randy from elementary?
Probably in my kindergarten class.
How long did you live in North Carolina for?
2 years.
Was it your best years of your life?
I lived on a farm.
Question, because I have to ask this, what's better, Delaware or Carolina? And I'm judging you.
Okay. So they both suck in their own ways.
That's fair, I agree. We're doing that, right? Yeah. Yeah, my fault. Yo,
Took you long enough, man. It's been like 2 years.
man, yeah, sometimes when you grow apart, you know? I'm in 3rd grade now, you're in 3rd grade now,
So
I moved to Delaware for some reason, and you just kept your ass in Carolina, dog.
You left me here, but I made it, man. I came to see you.
Thank you, I'm glad we met halfway in, I think, Virginia.
This giant rest stop map tells us we're about in Virginia. Our parents must be worried sick, but I don't even care.
You know what, I don't care either, man. Fuck my parents, you know? They're still dealing with, like, important beams and, like...
Yeah, they're worried about the structure of their house, make sure it doesn't come crumbling down on their little baby.
Something about, like, liquid thermite and, you know, George Bush. I don't know, man.
That's all I hear.
Really, but I'm glad to see you. Fuck my parents, fuck liquid thermite. Can we do it again? No, keep going, my boyfriend, doing it your way. Alright, that's
All right,
enough.
yeah.
Being a party clown sucks. Kids just disrespect you all day. They laugh at you.
I get kicked in the shin by one more little rodent. I'm gonna punch it. Just right across the face.
You know, like, I spray like water with my rose thingy. Like,
Yeah, it's great. I love every time you do that.
they vomited on me.
Was that your fault, or was there a lot of cake?
It was look. They had me after the cake was had. Yeah.
there might have been a correlation there. Maybe all of this isn't your fault, and you're still like a really good clown. Because God, I'm sorry. Every single time I see you, Bozo, I am just like, oh, he is the best of us. You know, no one else squirts water out of a rose quite like you. Like, I'm inspired. Brings tears every single time. Like, do you see that? You there? It's tears. Fucking crying, bro.
Oh, shucks. To be like, what do this? It's still funny.
It's good shit. It's good shit. God, you're good at this.
Big shoes, like,
Yeah.
it hasn't lost its like magic.
You still got it, bro. The kids, fuck them. They don't know what they're doing. They don't know how to laugh. They don't know how to have a good time. But you, my guy, you're amazing. Come here, you gotta hold it. What?
So it's not me it's the problem, it's the kids.
Yeah.
Kids,
It's the children.
kids these days don't know how to respect the clown.
No, they all suck.
Yeah.
Fuck them kids.
Fuck children.
Look, babe, all I'm saying is, you know, Brayden is like 1 year old. Like, we don't have to go all out for his birthday party.
I respectfully disagree. He's only gonna be one once. And I really feel like, you know, maybe like a big, you know, #1 cake and maybe like, I don't know, a full quartet and, you know, yeah, and it's just, you know, yeah.
I mean, I'm chopping up artisanal carrots for a carrot cake. Like, I'm sure, like, we could have just done, like, an ice cream cake. This is not going to be a core memory for him.
Maybe not, but he'll see the video later and be like, wow, my parents love me. One made some vegetable entree, and the other one really needed the shit out of that dough, and it was a fantastic bread.
It's just that, you know, like, we're new parents. Like, we don't have the money to be spending, like, the kind of money that we're spending on this.
We'll make more money. We can do things. I can start an OnlyFans. People are into post-preggers, post-baby babes. It's a hot topic right now.
I mean, that's a specific niche. Like,
It's very specific, but those people spend money. Think of all the feet people. Imagine what they do with my cankles. What about your OnlyFans? You should start one too.
My beer gut bulge OnlyFans. That's not.
Yeah.
That's not really getting much traction, babe.
If you really wax that belly button, you can get somewhere,
Swing, mother.
Do it.
Break that shit down.
Bring that shit down.
Bring it down. Come on.
Bring it down.
All right, you missed. It's fine.
It's all right, man.
It was a
Go
close
again.
pass.
Go again.
Oh.
All right, you weren't even close.
That was like
blindfolded.
that was the same swing basically.
Yeah. Oh.
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 So, really?
Okay.
Someone else.
Yeah.
It's okay. No, it's fine. We're
You
gonna.
must have.
Oh my god!
So I have to say, sir, I don't get very many applications for third graders here at McDonald's. Why do you want this job?
You want to get some real life experience, you know?
I mean, it says here on your resume that you have experienced traveling interstate. Could you expand on that some more?
Traveling interstate.
Yeah, like how do you, as a third grader, you're what, like 8 years old? Like, did your parents like put you on a train or a bus or?
I'm like the only third grader, like, I was gonna say in the state, in the country with my driver's license.
Well, that's,
I got some chest here, buddy, you know?
you know, I'm curious, but not enough to have me put on an FBI watch list. So I will take your word for it. It's just, it's a little unorthodox. Like, you're about average height for your age. So, like, I don't know, like, if you can, like, work the fryer or the counter, like.
Isn't like accommodations a thing? Like a step stool, like platform shoes? Like, you can do something to let me do the job.
You know, we have a huge worker shortage, but I just don't know if I can let you be a lifeguard, especially if you're going to be wearing those swimmies the whole time.
So thank you so much for coming to the interview, Greg. So yeah, why would you, as you're 8?
8.5.
That's great. What, you're qualified to be an accountant at 8?
You know, I started multiplication early, so.
Yeah. But multiplication is, that's all you got. You multiply.
They teach math in school still.
Yeah, that's, honestly, you're in a worker, you're hired, 100%, you're in.
Everybody's super pissed, man. They were just there smoking the whole time.
The whole time.
My kid wants to smoke now.
Your kid wants to smoke.
I thought he'd want to be a clown, but
No, that's the problem with these goddamn clown camps, man. We send them off for 2 weeks and they come back addicted to nicotine. My kid came back smoking Newport 100s.
Daddy, this is my smoke ring.
Your kid's a goddamn cig junkie.
he's pretty good though.
He's talented, no doubt. My kid isn't even here anymore. He's just out going south of the border, Carolina. And buying apartments upon cartons and bringing them back. I didn't even know they still make Paul Walls. Paul Walls? Paul Walls. Paul Wall Hundos. Or Salem Woods.
Dad, I brought back 50 cottons of Paul Walls.
That's not a
You're
bad.
so proud of me, I know.
That's my little boy.
Pretty industrious.
Hustler. He's riding on 4.4s. Something about fours. Something, I don't.
Yep. Dads of OnlyFans, what's up? Yo, what's good?
Oh, okay. So yeah, like we walked the seminar, just like trying to see what tips you can give us, because you guys are the best.
First, you get a camera.
Yeah. So like webcam is okay, but you might want to go to Best Buy and get like a higher quality kind of thing. You know? So like the gut looks better that way.
Okay.
Oh,
All right.
Invest in some butter, maybe.
Some butter.
You want to get the shine. You need the lights to hit the shine on the gut. That's how you make the bucks.
Yeah, you take a stick of butter and just like.
We've been using coconut oil. It's more. It melts at 70-something degrees.
right, yeah.
It's like really good.
And it's vegan.
But like,
And it's vegan.
well, if you're getting really good with this, you're going to have to stage lights.
Oh, we've been
That's
using
what-
the ring lights.
Ring.
Look, the ring light's good, but if you want to step it up.
If you want to be like a true OnlyFans dad,
That's enough. I have a real question.
go ahead.
Your life has changed so much being a dad, an OnlyFans dad. What is it like just everywhere you go, people recognize you and they're like, oh, you're that guy with...
It's kind of like that influencer life. You know what I mean? It's like, we're still like average dads, but like
It has become a problem. I can't wait in line anywhere without someone wanting me to pull my shirt up.
I can't drop Kimmy off at school anymore without him getting laughed at.
Damn.
But how much did you make last month?
4 DGs.
Oh.
Timio.
Yeah.
Our kid can get locked out for 40 G's.
Oh yeah.
It's a niche market. It's like feet, you know, like.
I'm in the pregnant mom syndrome thing. Yo, there's no stomping here. There's no dancing. You're not allowed to sing for some reason.
This is the worst birthday party ever.
What?
Don't fucking do it. You read the rules before you came here.
I won't do it, but if I could, it'd be something like.
Oh,
Feel like a-
that was close. Yeah, don't really do
But
it.
don't do it.
Don't do it. Sometimes I come to Black Cat Tavern and I just go, but no.
It's like if you can't go like, what do you do at a party?
I don't know, man. I just want to stomp, clap, but they won't let me.
I don't know either, because every time I go to a party, I start stomping and they tell me to leave.
So the first thing I do when I go to a party is
No.
All right, you know what? On 3, I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do it?
do it, man.
I fucking dare you.
Do it.
1, 2, 3.
Just let me smoke, man. Just let me smoke.
Hey man, I feel like that is constitute corruption of a minor. You might wanna.
It's my kid, it's my problem. That's what the fuck I want. Sweet dad.
Be like, look, I'm in 3rd grade. I have a job. Like, look how I turned out. Mom! Mom!
Black out.